Welcome back to CarZone 2024, your go-to destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Tata Nexon, a compact SUV that has not only set benchmarks in its segment but has also become a household name for Indian car enthusiasts. In this video, we're focusing entirely on the Nexon's exterior design, its performance cues, and some of the key features that make it stand out in a highly competitive market. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Tata Nexon is its bold and striking design. Tata has done an impressive job of giving the Nexon a facelift that is not just cosmetic, but functional, too. The front fascia is dominated by a new, wider grille that incorporates a sharper, more angular design, flanked by sleeker LED headlamps that now come with a split design for a more futuristic look. Below that, the Nexon boasts a rugged bumper with integrated fog lamps, providing a balanced combination of style and toughness. The use of chrome accents around the grille and air intakes gives the front end a premium touch while maintaining its sporty appeal. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Nexon continues to impress with its coupe-like silhouette, which is unusual for a compact SUV but adds to its unique character. The sloping roofline blends seamlessly into the roof rails, enhancing its sporty appearance. Tata has also introduced new alloy wheel designs that complement the vehicle's dynamic stance. The wheel arches are pronounced and give the car a muscular look, something that's quite essential for an SUV. The character lines running across the body add a sense of motion even when the car is stationary, making it look fast and agile. At the rear, the changes are just as significant. The 2025 Nexon now features sharper, more angular taillights, connected by a slim chrome bar that stretches across the tailgate. The rear bumper has been reworked as well, with a diffuser-like design that adds a sporty flair to the SUV's overall persona. You'll also notice a roof-mounted spoiler that not only improves the aerodynamics but also adds to the sporty character of the car. The high ground clearance of the Nexon gives it a rugged edge, making it equally at home on city roads as well as off the beaten path. In terms of performance, the Nexon's exterior design has been crafted with aerodynamics in mind. The smooth lines and curves are not just for aesthetics, they also help reduce drag, improving fuel efficiency and overall performance. The updated front and rear bumpers are designed to channel air more efficiently, making the Nexon not only stylish but also functional in its design. That's it for today's in-depth look at the 2025 Tata Nexon's exterior. Stay tuned to CarZone 2024 for more detailed reviews on the latest cars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.